PNM alleged blogger and former radio host charged with sedition over social media post targeting PM's residence. Court grants $100,000 bail, with conditions including passport surrender and weekly police reporting. A blogger and former radio host has been charged with sedition after allegedly posting content on social media that invited foreign parties to target the official residence of Prime Minister Kamla Persad-Bissessar. The Trinidad and Tobago Police Service, TTPS, reported that Crystal Horwood appeared before Master Mohammed at the Port of Spain High Court on Friday, February 6, 2026, where the sedition charge was laid summarily. Horwood entered a plea of not guilty to the charge. Bail granted with strict conditions. After hearing submissions from both the prosecution and defense, the court granted Horwood bail in the sum of $100,000 with a surety. As part of the bail conditions imposed by the court, she must surrender her passport to the registrar of the court, report to a specified police station once per week, reside at her parents' address. The matter has been adjourned to Friday, March 6, 2026, and will be heard in the Port of Spain District Court. Police issue warning about social media responsibilities. In its official statement, the police service reminded the public that freedom of expression carries legal responsibilities and limitations under Trinidad and Tobago law. Posting content that encourages violence against individuals or destabilizing acts can have serious legal consequences, including arrest and prosecution, the TTPS warned. The sedition charge represents a serious criminal offense under Trinidad and Tobago's criminal law, typically applied to conduct intended to incite rebellion against the authority of the state or actions that could endanger public safety and national security. Background and context. The specific nature of the social media post that led to the sedition charge has not been fully detailed by authorities, but police indicated it allegedly contained content inviting foreign parties to take action against the Prime Minister's official residence, a matter authorities deemed serious enough to warrant criminal prosecution rather than civil proceedings. Sedition charges in Trinidad and Tobago are relatively rare, but have been used historically in cases where authorities determine that speech or conduct crosses the line from legitimate criticism or political opposition into territory that could endanger public safety, national security, or constitutional order. The case has raised questions about the boundaries of free speech in the digital age and the point at which online expression becomes criminal conduct under existing sedition laws. Legal proceedings moving forward. With the matter now before the district court, prosecutors will need to prove beyond reasonable doubt that Horwood's social media post met the legal threshold for sedition, demonstrating that it was intended to incite violence, undermine state authority, or create public disorder rather than constituting legitimate political expression protected under freedom of speech provisions. The defense is expected to argue that the post, whatever its content, falls within the bounds of constitutionally protected speech and does not meet the high legal bar required for sedition charges. The case proceeds to the Port of Spain District Court on March 6, 2026, where preliminary proceedings will determine how the matter moves forward through the criminal justice system.